hardest thing that veterans deal with when they get out of the military is we're missing community and we're missing a purpose.
We came up with the name Wounded Nature Working Veterans because it's nature that's wounded, needs to be healed. And there was a group of us veterans. We decided to go ahead and tackle this task. You guys ready? I appreciate everyone giving up their day today and making a difference.
When we get out, we think that nobody understands us. But when we're all cleaning up the coast, we start to feel okay. Purpose is what helps us heal. And Rudy found a way to do that. And it's amazing.
We're making a real difference. I'm doing what I love to do. There's nothing more, anyone could ask for in their life.